Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute, but what's called for today's video, I'll be breaking the news that one of my rims broke. So what's called that sucks for me, and I'll be throwing my stock rims back on. But hopefully, luckily I still had my stock rims. I was thinking of selling them, but I didn't sell them, so luckily I kept them, and I'm gonna be throwing them back on. And I just borrowed one of my friends' jacks, so that way I can raise the car. So I got one jack staying over there, and let me focus. No, just want to focus. All right, but I got one of my jack stands over there, and I got one on the other side over there. And what's called hopefully it doesn't look too bad. But what's called the reason that I want to throw the stock ones back on is because the car looks bagged, you know. But what's called it's not bad, you know, obviously static, you know, static, see that? But what's called yeah, so hopefully it doesn't look too bad. And sadly I'll be racing the car a little bit, just to like the point where I feel like comfortable with it. And yeah, so let's get to it. Right now I'll just move the car a little bit back. Alright, so here are the wheels. It's been a month since I washed them, and what's called pretty dirty. And as y'all can see, they say I have white paint, not paint, but plastic dip. I used to have these wheels plastic dip. What's called so right now all I have left to do is pick out two wheels that look decent, you know. And right now my best picks right now are second and third, you know. This is second and third. So if y'all have a different opinion, y'all let me know. I'm thinking about this one, but I don't know. But first, second, third, and fourth. So if you have any opinions, just let me know. But yeah, I'll be throwing back on second and third. So right there, I just loosened it up, and I still don't know really how to do it, because I usually do this one, the third one, the very last one. I usually what's called do that one first for some reason, but then I'm like, no, let me break this one first, the second one, then, you know, I'll just be able to move it back up, you know. But I always forget, I don't know why, I just have that thing. It's like a thing that I always forget. But what's called yeah, right now I'm gonna raise it about an inch maybe. Measure right now, hopefully, but it's all static, you know. See, I know I'm running coilovers, but yeah. Alright, so this is actually the first one, and I think I might skip this one. I don't know. We'll see how this one looks. And it's called because yeah, just a second. So this is the second one, and I don't know if y'all can tell, but yeah, they're pretty dirty, pretty disgusting. But tires are still good, and they have really good pressure, so that's pretty good, you know. Man, I need to clean these wheels like ASAP, that's for sure. I don't know, kind of like it. Maybe once they're clean. And I'm pretty sure y'all see that gap right there, right? This gap right here. So I don't know if I want to race it like that much, but I don't know, I think it looks decent. So you can just look like alright with the front, you know, since the back it's pretty lower than the front. But we'll see how it looks right now once it goes down. Alright, so the car's already set in, but I don't know, what do y'all think? I kind of like it. It doesn't look too bad, you know, so I can run the stock wheels back on for now. But yeah, and definitely it's not gonna be too aggressive since the tires aren't that midi. But as y'all can see, like Y'all can see camber, that's for sure. What do y'all think? Should I race it back up, or is this already like pretty good gap? So for sure I'm not gonna rub, but it's gonna look weird, that's for sure, compared to the front, you know. So this is the rim, pretty bad from last time that I saw it. I'm not too sure why. I guess from the car itself, like sitting on the rim from all that pressure from the car. But yeah, and as well as y'all can see right there, I'm missing a big piece right there. That's not good. And this, I thought this was paint, but I'm pretty sure it's from the tire. So it's called I'm guessing the rim rubbed against the tires, so that's all broken right there. But yeah, so that's pretty bad. Gonna have to get the rim welded maybe, and if not, then I'm just gonna have to get new wheels. But I'm gonna try to see if I can get it welded, but in the next couple of weeks maybe. But alright guys, so I just finished this other side, and you know, another shady thing that I found out is that I only had 4 lug nuts, so I was only running like 4 lug nuts. That's pretty like sketchy. As y'all can see, I have 2 right here, and then the other 2 right there. 1, 2 right there. You know, that's like, and like, look, y'all can see like how dirty the wheels are. Like, that's how dirty they are. Like spider webs and, you know, what's called all this dirt. And I'm pretty sure y'all can see the plastic dip right there. Yeah, I'll be trying my best to clean them. And yeah, so tires are on, and all I have to do is put the car like back down, and yeah, pretty lit. We'll see how it goes, and hopefully it's not too bad. You know, definitely not gonna go like that high, that's for sure. So there it is, the car is back down, and let's compare both sides. Then this side might be lower than the other side actually. I'm gonna go confirm. I'm pretty sure I'm right. What do y'all think? Is it the same or not? Let's see from the back. Is it pretty even? What do y'all think? I think it might be pretty even. Well, you gotta keep in mind that the way the floor sits right here, it's not that straight, and you know, hopefully it's not that bad. So I'm gonna be putting the car a little bit to the front and see if it changes. It doesn't look too bad, so yeah, I'll move the car back up. What do y'all think from this side? I still feel like this side's lower than the other side, but could be the same. You know, if I put it like that, I'm pretty sure it's the same, but yeah, it's pretty much the same. It's just like the way it's standing, because you know there's like rock right here, and like there's like a bump right here. I'm pretty sure y'all can see the bump, like how it goes up. Look, it's not flat. Alright guys, so that's a wrap for today's video. And it's called, like I always say on every single video, like, comment, and subscribe, you know, share it with your friend. And all that support's gonna help, and this car needs it. I'm pretty sure y'all know that, since you know it's gonna have to be running with the stock wheels, and the other ones are gonna be sitting down. But yeah, been out here for like 2 hours putting in work, and you know, as soon as I get off work, you know, I came over here, you know, and you know, just try to do it as fast as I can, but in my own pace, you know. Try not to rush into it, you know, and mess up something or break something, you know. But yeah, so I hope you liked today's video, and you know, share with your friends again, you know, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see y'all guys next time.